Howdy, y'all. Hi, Raja. Thank you for showing up to show your butt on the internet. If Raja will let me, we're going to do some day drinking. I've got some of this. It's a Rod and Hammer's Slow Stills Whiskey Mai Tai made with rye whiskey, 22 proof. Cocktail cut with the Pacific, 11% ABV. This is from Slow as San Luis Obispo. They've got several mixed drinks out. Trader Joe's has a box of assorted, and I figured this is a good place to start trying them out. I've been limiting my booze, trying to lose weight, trying to lower my cholesterols and blood pressures and sugars and blah, 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 blah. So once or twice a month, maybe, and it's that time of the month. Let's give it a try. Whiskey Mai Tai. It's going to be on the rocks, just because. And it's not a rocks glass, but it's the first glass I grabbed. Ooh. Smells like tropical fruits. Yes, Rasha. Thank you for helping. Smells Mai Tai-ish. Let's see. Actually, I'm not a rye guy, but taking into account the rye, it's not bad. It tastes like a rye Mai Tai, and I like an occasional Mai Tai once every few years, and the rye is throwing me off, but like I said, take that into account. It's not bad at all. So I'd say this would be a good refresher out camping or having a party. Not bad at all. So that's my quick and dirty review of the Rod and Hammer's Slow Stills Whiskey Mai Tai. Thanks for watching, y'all. Have a great day, and cheers.